Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my rechargeable battery pack. So these are perfect for, devices that you use constantly, like a game controller, a microphone, a mouse, whatever it is. But here's what they look like. So these are always sweet. So it comes with the cord for them here, and then it comes with the 4-pack of these. So let me take 2 of them out to show you guys. And so this is how they work. They are just normal AA batteries, but they have this Type-C port in here, so you can then actually plug them into the wall or into a box, and then you can actually charge these AA batteries. So you can use them, and then when you're done, you charge them up, and then you put them back in, and they're all ready. So these are sweet. Instead of having to buy them constantly, throw them away, etc., you can just buy these, and then these are actually able to just be recharged, and then you can just use them again and again. So these are always super cool to have and helpful, especially if you just don't want to keep buying batteries. These are the way to go. So I like them. Thumbs up.